Industrial grade locking plug, NEMA L14-20P. 20 amp, 125 250 volts, 60 Hz, 3-pole, 4-wire, grounding. NEMA plug is made of polycarbonate thermoplastic material to provide durability and resilience to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Easy to use and do-it-yourself installation. 1-year warranty. All listed. NEMA configuration and device rating clearly marked. ENERLITES 66421BK Industrial Grade 20A 125 250 volt locking plugs. NEMA L14-20P. 60 Hz. 3P. 4W. Grounding. This locking plug is constructed with high-impact polycarbonate thermoplastic material fitted with solid brass blades. Use in combination with locking cord connector 66422B-K. NEMA L14-20C. All listed. 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. High quality, heavy duty. You can pay more for a L14-20P plug, but you'd be wasting your money.